Okay. Now, step 1, we hold the brake and then turn it on the scooter. Okay, you can see the E3. You only have 5 seconds after turning on. 5 seconds, remember. After 5 seconds, it's too late. 2, 3, 4, 5. You see, no matter how many not working. Why? No beeps, it means you failed. It's too late because you spent too much time. Let's do again. Power off. Okay, hold the brake and power on. Remember, only 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can hear beep, beep, 2 beeps. It means you succeed. Good. That's it. Try it, please. You can check the speed by like this way. You see the speed is 40. It means it's successful. Must be like this. Thank you.